Welcome to the tool wall, where time is the most valuable tool. Today I've got a hand crimping tool that crimps ferrules. This set picked up on AliExpress for $23.99. The seller's name is SANJIANG Official Store. This particular crimping tool is model HSC8 6-4A, and it has a 4-point crimp. It's a pretty solid tool, has a solid rubber handle. It's made of steel. It's spring-loaded and has a locking mechanism to help make sure that the crimping motion goes all the way down before it unlocks. It came with this assortment of crimp or ferrules, and they are from 22 AWG or American wire gauge all the way up to 7 AWG or American wire gauge, equivalent to 0.5 millimeter squared all the way up to 10 millimeter squared. And they are color coded. I'll do a sample here real quick. So we've got some 14 gauge speaker wire. So I use a 14 gauge crimp here. So you take off about maybe a 1/4 inch of insulation. I took off a little too much there, but you just insert the ferrule into the tool, squeeze all the way down, release, and you get a nice secure connection. And it has this plastic coating on the end, but you can also add heat shrink tubing to get a nice, even more watertight connection in there. But overall, a great tool. Especially if you're doing electronics or car audio or home audio. So I highly recommend this set. And thanks for watching.